Hi, I'm Jim, and if you're watching this, you've already scanned our QR code. We get a lot of requests from folks asking for instruction on how to relight the pilot on their gas water heater. For their safety, the safety of their families, and the safety even their home, we don't provide those instructions. According to a 2010 study by the National Fire Protection Association, the NFPA, water heaters were responsible for approximately 5,800 home structure fires, which resulted in 80 deaths, 210 injuries. These fires also accounted for $104 million in property damage. Let me show you what happens when you try to light a pilot that has a damaged or faulty burner. We always recommend turn off your gas line, contact a professional, let them come out and assess the situation. To locate your gas line, you're just going to follow the thermostat, follow that line all the way to the wall, and you're going to find this gas valve here that is running in line with the gas pipe. What you need you to do is turn that perpendicular so it makes a T and shuts off your gas. And then just give us a call, and we'll look forward to seeing you shortly.